So hello everyone, I hope all of your installations of Flutter and Android Studio is done. If not, then you guys can go and check out our installation video. In that video you guys can install everything like which is required for app development. Now if everything is sorted out, now in this series we'll start building our apps. So this will be our very first and primary app, which will be I am rich app. Okay, so there is a very big and interesting story about this app, and this app will actually help us to understand the primary concept of app development, and will help us to build a very basic and functional app. So what's the app and what's the story behind it? So this is the app, you guys can look at it. So this is app name is I am rich. Okay, so one developer, like when the iPhone was first launched, so then the app store was like the main hotspot place for all app developers. So there is a genius app developer, you can say, like who develop a app named I am rich, and the app doesn't contain anything. So that's just a logo and a picture on the app, and he just priced the app at $999, and he just marketed the app as a lifestyle and like being famous kind of app and being rich kind of app. So there are also people who bought that app. You can see like there are 275 reviews. So he had actually sold this app. So this is a quite an interesting app and quite a good and interesting project. So we guys will be building this app, and if you want to follow along, so please make sure to follow the series, and from the next video onwards we will start coding and make our hands dirty. So this is the app which we will be building, and this is the primary and very basic app which everyone should build. So please go along and follow along with us, and please do subscribe the channel and like the video, and let's jump on the next video and start coding. Thank you.